So guys, this is a Jamaican owned right here in Zimbabwe. A Jamaican restaurant, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And this is the owner right here.
Yeah, man.
Our own Jamaican doing it
Rabbit.
very big over here in Zimbabwe.
Yeah,
Yes, very proud, very proud. Yes. But so when you come to Zimbabwe, you know if you come, Sorrel. The name of the restaurant is Sorrel. This is his conference room. It's very beautiful. Yes.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
When we have private parties, we come out here and enjoy ourselves, you know?
Very nice. So here it is, a very beautiful restaurant and lounge owned by a Jamaican. Yeah. So, everywhere you go, Jamaica put them touch. This is so beautiful. So we can peek into the kitchen. Look.
Back there we have our own stores, our own storage and...
Name of the restaurant is Sorrel Restaurant and Lounge. Authentic Jamaican food. So guys, this is Africa. This is Africa. Oh my God. This is the bar area.
World! Across the world, man!
Yeah, guys. Hi. How are you? Check out all of the chefs.
This lady's a top. Yeah, man. Let's top chef. Two oxtails and still mashed potato. Let's go.
For the just salad, you left something to
Yes. Oh my God. Come and chill. Look how beautiful this is. Guys, maybe anytime I come to Africa, check out this place, Sorrel, right here in Zimbabwe. When I come, just Google it, Sorrel. Owned by one of our very own Jamaican. Doing it out here. I'm so love it. Love to see it. So big up yourself again.
Bless people.
And thank you for having us.